Alright, so to begin doing this built-in, eventually I'm going to put a piece of plywood against this wall, and I'm going to do something back here on the back. That's why I didn't finish these. But what I got to do is put a frame out here to kind of square it off with some 2x4s. So I need to measure my length out and get that pretty much taken care of. Do some measuring here, put some boards down, and then what I'm going to do is actually build myself a wall right here. But the wall is going to be the 3/4 inch plywood. I don't want it to be a 2x4 wall. That's way too thick. And this is still kind of a cabinet, but I'm just building it in versus building it in my shop and bringing it up here and setting it in. So hopefully this is a good good idea, and I think it'll be fine. But we're going to go ahead and rock and roll. Okay, so that's going to pretty much wrap up the built-in video, and I'm going to hide the final product from you because the project is now done. So the next video is actually going to show you what the built-in ended up looking like, and also it's going to show you what the whole room has turned out to be. So guys, this project has taken a long time to get done. I'm so thankful that it's done, but stay tuned for the next video where I'm going to give you a good walkthrough of the entire room, start to finish, what we did, and tell you how we like it so far. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I'll see you next time right here in the workshop.